gold loan configuration in this video. In Jainam Software, we are fetching gold loan from API, which is the market rate, but there are few other settings also. In master setup setting, when I search on gold, I will get couple of settings I have configured. If you don't see these settings, you can go and click create new config and search on gold. For example, you can type here gold so that you will get few settings there. Now, allow to modify gold loan percentage. This setting, if set no, user cannot modify the gold loan percentage. Then gold rate per gram, this is for pure gold rate, which is a static rate. So every time you'll have to come and configure it here. Then we have use market gold rate. If you set it yes, then daily gold rate for pure, that is for 24 karat, will be fetched from market rate and it will be applied to the system. Now, in addition, but the challenge with this is it is a rate for pure gold. In case you want to configure gold rate your own, and that is also as per carat, so I suggest that you set this setting to no and use this setting, which is gold rate based on carat from master data config yes. Now what does it mean? If you set it yes, then in master setup, master data, you'll have to select here gold rate and then you'll have to configure this. You can configure as per your requirement. I have configured like 21 karat, 22, 3, 4, and I have defined the value as the rate of that. Now rank is important because it will be displayed when you take the print or it is used in calculation. So I suggest to keep the number as the carat number here. So if it's 21 karat, keep it 21 and so on. Now if you consider that 21 karat is 5500 and 24 7100, so the impact is I am searching a profile, I click loan and select gold product scheme. Here ornament I select bangles, in locker quantity 1, gross weight 10 and net weight I'm selecting 10. Now here you can see that 7000 rate is applied, which is the static rate. Now I select 21, then 21 karat rate will be applied. If I select 24, then whatever rate configured in master data will be applied here. So generally ornaments is not made in 24 karat because it's pure. So I select here 22 karat. 6000 rate is applied. I click add. I select another and quantity 2, 20, 20. And obviously gross weight, net weight cannot be same because there is always a purity concept. But I have added it as like 20% and added 22 karat because rate is applied now on net weight. So I clicked here. The total loan value is 180. The valuation of ornament is 180 and loan amount is 150. I click save. Loan number 124 is created. I search loan number 124 and then I go to gold tab and I can see that those details are captured here. Now you cannot delete the ornament from here. I am super user so that I can delete, but ideally no one should delete the ornament from here. They can simply update the status of that ornament. Alright. In this video we are going to capture this much only. There are a few other videos to understand more about gold loan configuration. Thank you. Have a great day.